So today we are going to talk about treating a home remedy for treating Staphylococcus infection. But before I tell you about that, let me tell you about this wonderful product called Cbiotics. Cbiotics is a very effective product that you can use to treat all manner of infections. It's made in our laboratory and it is a very powerful infection cleanser. If you need to reach out to get Cbiotics, you can call the number 080-683-54455. Now let's talk about this home remedy. Now, so if you have basic infection, or probably you can't afford Cbiotics, or you just have basic infection, scanty growth, this is a perfect home remedy for that. So here we have moringa leaf, we have moringa seed, we have turmeric, we have ginger, we have garlic, we have pawpaw leaves, and we have aloe vera and guava leaves. So all you need to do is prepare them, wash them, put them in a pot, put water into it, and then you boil for 30 to 45 minutes. After boiling, you let it cool down. You sieve out the water, and the water you can store in a keg or in a bottle and put in your fridge. You take, the dosage to take is half a glass cup, the normal tumbler, we use half a glass cup in the morning after food and half a glass cup in the evening after food. Very, very potent and effective treatment. So let's get into preparing this now. Okay, so this is an effective treatment also for Staphylococcus, but especially for syphilis. If you have syphilis, this is a very effective treatment. But before then, let me explain. This is a product called Cbiotics. This product cures all kinds of infections like gonorrhea, syphilis, candida, staphylococcus. It's made in a laboratory and it's very, very effective. So to order this product, you just need to call the number 080-683-54455. Now, but if you have basic syphilis infection, or probably you can't afford Cbiotics, you just want to treat yourself at home. Now, this is a very good remedy. Now, this is wonderful cola. This is garlic. This garlic should be more than this, should be about 3 times this size. And this is ginger. Then this is lime water. Now, the lime water, I didn't have enough, so but I just want to show you. You should get a lime water that is, that will fill this cup, that quantity. So you put everything into a bottle or a bowl, and then you blend the wonderful cola, the garlic and the ginger together. You mix it together with the lime water, leave it for 24 hours, and then you drink half a glass cup in the morning after food and half a glass cup in the night after food. Remember, you have to blend this one, blend them. You probably see blend them properly, and then you put them into the bottle. You put the lime water, leave for 24 hours, and then you begin to use it. Again, if you want to get Cbiotics, very powerful product, you can reach out to me on 080-683-54455. Okay, so it's me again from Healing Herbs. So today we are going to talk about a very effective treatment. Don't look at it as the ingredients are small. It's very effective treatment for gonorrhea. Very, very, very effective. Now, but before we talk about that, let me share with you about my product again, Cbiotics. This product is fantastic. It cures infections such as candida, gonorrhea, syphilis, all manner of infections. It's very, 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 very effective and very, very powerful. Very effective product. So, but if you cannot afford, this, or you have time to go and get all this, you can try this remedy. If it should work for you for basic gonorrhea infection. So what you need is unripe purpose. You cut them, and then you get the garlic. Now, what I would advise you to do is that I want you to mash the garlic. I did not say pound it, just mash it. Press. When you press garlic, the liquid comes out. So you mash it with something, and then you put it into a big bottle. You slice the unripe purpose, put into a big bottle, and you add water to it, and then you let it ferment for 3 days. After 3 days, you take it 3 times daily. 1 shot in the morning after food, 1 shot in the afternoon after food, and 1 shot in the evening after food. You take it for 1 week. Go run your test. You should be fine. But again, if you have very, very chronic gonorrhea infection, you need something beyond this. You need a product like Cbiotics, to do the work. This product is very, very effective. So thank you very much.